Experiencing connection problems with your Sceptre monitor? Most issues can be resolved with three basic troubleshooting steps. Let's walk through each one systematically. Step 1. Verify cable integrity. Start by testing with a known working cable. Check for any physical damage like bent connectors or frayed wires, and ensure the cable is properly seated in both the monitor and computer ports. Step 2. Power cycle your devices. Turn off both the monitor and your computer or laptop. Unplug the power cables for 30 seconds, then reconnect and power on the monitor first, followed by your computer. Step 3. Verify input source selection. Use your monitor's input or source button to cycle through all available inputs like HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, or DVI. Make sure the selected input matches your connected cable type. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your connection issue, you'll need to move on to display settings configuration and more advanced solutions. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Sceptre monitor connection issues, advanced solutions target the root causes. Driver conflicts and system-level settings are often the culprits. The most effective advanced solution is updating your graphics drivers. Whether you have NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, outdated drivers cause 80% of persistent connection problems. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website or use Windows Update to download the latest drivers. This resolves compatibility issues with newer monitor technologies and connection protocols. Safe mode testing helps identify driver conflicts. Boot your computer in safe mode and test the monitor connection. If it works in safe mode but not normally, you have a driver conflict that needs resolution. For Windows users, registry fixes provide advanced solutions. Clearing the display cache or resetting display scaling settings can resolve stubborn connection issues. These should only be attempted by experienced users. Prevention is better than troubleshooting. The right cables and maintenance practices eliminate most connection problems before they occur. Use only certified cables. HDMI Premium Certified and DisplayPort Certified cables ensure reliable connections and full feature support. Cheap cables are the leading cause of intermittent connection failures. Cable length matters for high-resolution displays. For 4K connections, avoid cables longer than 6 feet. Longer cables can cause signal degradation and connection instability. Regular maintenance prevents problems. Update drivers monthly, keep Windows current, and back up your display profiles. Inspect cables quarterly for wear and replace them proactively. Hardware compatibility requires attention to specifications. Check your laptop's output capabilities, verify power delivery requirements, and choose between active and passive adapters based on your connection needs. These advanced solutions and preventive measures resolve the majority of persistent Sceptre monitor connection issues. Proper drivers, quality cables, and regular maintenance create reliable, long-lasting display connections.